GlobeTrotterTongues, converse with confidence. Connect with the world.
Welcome to GlobeTrotterTongues, where we make English learning accessible to everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of English tenses. Present simple tense. Let's start with the present simple tense. It's used for habits, routines, and universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is for actions happening right now. Like, I am watching a video on GlobeTrotterTongues. Past simple tense. The past simple tense is for completed actions in the past. I visited the Eiffel Tower last year. Past continuous tense. Use the past continuous tense for actions that were happening at a specific moment in the past. I was watching a movie when you called. Future simple tense. The future simple tense talks about actions that will happen. I will travel to Japan next year. Perfect tenses. Perfect tenses show the connection between the past and the present. I have finished my homework means the action has an effect on the present. Perfect continuous tenses. Perfect continuous tenses emphasize the duration of an action. I have been studying English for 2 hours. Why tenses matter. Understanding tenses is key to mastering English. They help you express time and sequence in your conversations and writings. Practice makes perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using different tenses in your daily English conversations. Want to learn more? Subscribe to GlobeTrotterTongues and turn on notifications for our latest videos.